The day was 2nd October 1957. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was busy enjoying a performance at Ramlila Maidan in Red Fort, Delhi. Suddenly, a short circuit set the Shamiana on fire. 14-year-old Boy Scout Harish Chandra Mehra promptly ripped open the burning tent with his knife and saved the lives of hundreds of people trapped under it. Nehru was moved. On 4th February 1958, the first official National Bravery Award was presented to Harish Chandra by Prime Minister Nehru, and the tradition has continued ever since. Come, let's take a look at all the gallantry awards presented by India. The National Bravery Awards are a set of awards given every year to about 25 Indian children below the age of 16 years for meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. The National Bravery Awards has 5 categories. The Bharat Award, which was established in 1987. The Geeta Chopra Award and the Sanjay Chopra Award, which were established in 1978 in memory of the 2 Chopra children who lost their lives while confronting their kidnappers. The Bapu Gaidhani Award, which was established in 1980, and the General National Bravery Awards. The civilian awards conferred are Bharat Ratna, First Degree of Honor; Padma Vibhushan, Second Degree of Honor; Padma Bhushan, Third Degree of Honor; Padma Shri, Fourth Degree of Honor. The Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of the country, was instituted in the year 1954. It is awarded in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavor. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the first person to be awarded posthumously. The Government of India not only honors its courageous children, but also holds its highest regards for the brave hearts who helped the whole country sleep peacefully at night. Which now brings us to the Gallantry Awards. India's military personnel are honored with 6 awards for their acts of gallantry and valiance. Indian Gallantry Awards are further divided into 3 broad categories. First, Wartime Awards, which include the Param Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra. Second, Peacetime Awards, which include the Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra. Third, Distinguished Service Medals, which include the Sena Medal, Army, Nausena Medal, Navy, Vayu Sena Medal, Air Force. The President also awards prisoners for their meritorious and distinguished efforts for excelling in the tasks that they are assigned with. Not only adults, even children are conferred with distinguished awards. Every year since 1996, on Republic Day, the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is awarded to children between the age of 5 to 18 for exceptional achievements across the fields of sports, innovation, arts and science, social service, scholastic and bravery. Home Guard and Civil Defence personnel are honoured with the President's Home Guards and Civil Defence Gallantry Medal and the Home Guards and Civil Defence Medal for meritorious service. India recognizes the efforts of our saviors, civilians, law enforcement and defence personnel who save lives from drowning, from electrocution, fire accidents or in rescue operations are also awarded by the Government of India. Introduced in 1961, the award has 3 categories: Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak, Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak and Jeevan Raksha Padak. These awards are a symbol of India's finest citizens and honor that remind us of Mahatma Gandhi's saying, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." Prakash Kaur, this social worker from Jalandhar, is recognized for raising about 80 abandoned girls in Punjab. Prakash, who herself was abandoned by her biological parents, is set to receive the Padma Shri Award this year. What an inspiring story that showcases how each citizen can be driver of change to the country. See you next time on another episode of Know It All. Till then, keep playing the quiz on Mind Wars.